What's going on, guys? This is Rob with Rob Reviews Everything, and today I'm going to give you a look inside the Rexing V1 box. This is just going to be a simple unboxing video. The review will come later, but I just want to give you a show of what's inside Rexing's $100 dash cam and give a better idea of what to expect when you pop it open. Rexing wants to show off its nice green company look with a cardboard style box, show off its 60-day warranty, and on the back even lists some specification about what the camera is, like lens angle, LCD size, operating temperature, and whatnot. You can pause the video and take a look more in depth if you'd like. When you open up the box, you can see everything's nice and neatly arranged. The camera's on the right, and there's a little how did we do card on the left with some information on how to get in contact with support, just in case you had any issues with the camera. First impressions of this camera definitely make it seem like Rexing put this in the right price point at $100. It doesn't feel too cheap, but also not too expensive. Definitely check out a review to see how we feel about this camera more in depth. With the unit itself, Rexing included a mini USB charger. It is a sealed unit, which I'm not too huge of a fan of, but it does have a nice right angle connector on the mini USB, which is perfect for wedge style mountings. Eventually, when you need to replace it, you'll need to buy a separate DC adapter. You also do get a smaller cable just in case you want to transfer files between your camera and your computer without needing to take out the micro SD card. When you're ready to install the camera, Rexing makes it nice and easy by giving you some nice clips to keep everything clutter free, as well as giving you a nice little trim puller just in case you need to pop the cable behind your headliner or somewhere in your dash to keep it nice and hidden. You're also given a mount and a single strip of 3M adhesive. Unfortunately, since it's a wedge style camera, you have to mount it to the windshield with the adhesive. There's no suction mount available. Fortunately, Rexing doesn't give you a second strip in case you mess up. The unit has a nice 2.4-inch display and has all controls right on the front. Mode button, manual recording, mute button, display on and off, and emergency file lock / OK button. When you're not driving, you might use some of the stuff on the side of the camera, like the micro SD card slot, the power button, a small tiny reset button, if you can see that next to the power button, a menu button, as well as this little dial that helps set the position of the camera. So when you turn it and it's mounted against the windshield, you can see it move up and down to get the proper recording angle for you. Because wedge style dash cameras are statically mounted and you can't move them, it might be a little bit harder to get your desired angle, which is why this wheel exists. On this side of the camera, there's a few more ports, including rear camera port, which isn't supported, port for a GPS module, which you can install later, and a mini USB port, which is used to power the camera. So that's it, guys. That's all we have of the unboxing of Rexing's $100 V1 dash cam. Be sure to check out the full review where we post some videos and generally take a look at what it means to run this dash cam. Also, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what else we should review.